Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can undo your action or mistake simply by shaking the iPhone on the iPhone 15 series. Now before you can make use of this feature, you first have to activate it, and to do that, from the home screen tap on settings, then in the settings page scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down and tap on touch, then go down and tap on shake to undo. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Once it is turned on, then you can go back to your home screen, and let's say if you are writing a note and you want to undo, so you can simply hold your phone and then just by shaking, and it will offer you to undo. Then tap on the undo from the pop-up message, and that will undo your mistake. There are other things that you can undo as well, such as undo a picture that you have deleted. So here if I'm going to delete a photo, then I can simply shake and then tap on undo, and it will undo that deletion, and it will recover the photos or restore the photos. And that's it. That is how you can shake to undo your mistake on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.